wishes to all. I'm J.K.R. Vyomesh Kanna and I'm here to submit you my vision of future generation mobile phones. Yes, as we all realize, nowadays mobile phones has become an essential part of our life. Coming to the subject, the four major issues which I have identified in the mobile phones are frequent charging of battery, lack of waterproof system, easily breakable and theft. Regarding battery charging issue, you are supposed to carry the charger wherever we go. Many people are officially engaged on talking even hours together. Thinking over this, I have found a solution which I have derived from the concept of hybrid cars. In hybrid cars, the battery will get charged whenever the braking system is applied. That mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Likewise, I plan to do research on charging the battery while talking. I mean that the sound energy produced while talking is converted into electrical energy and the battery will get charged. I hope this could be possible with additional microphones and special application softwares. If it is possible in future, the more we talk, the battery will get charged more. Hence we could enjoy happy talking. I hope in future the mobile phones with this concept is useful for all. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity to explain my views on future generation mobile phones.